All right, the Kelce brothers obviously don't have enough money, so it's time for something new. Kelce Mix, which is a combination of their 3 favorite cereals. I can't lie, this is pretty genius. Only problem, they're not my 3 favorite. Let's get into it. CTC all day. For Reese's, needs to stay a cup. Lucky Charms? I guess it is magically delicious. Let's see. Looks cool. Smells of sugar and low nutrition. Oat milk all day, because miss me with that cow milk. No, not milk first. Get down to the bottom to get the good stuff. There's too many Reese's Puffs on this. I don't think I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna sum this up best with the Taylor Swift song.
I was enchanted to meet you.
This is pretty damn good. Mr. Foodtastic approved.